Hi guys, Dr. Randy Horning from Absolute Wellness and Rehab right here in Lake Zurich, Illinois. I thought I'd give you guys a tour of the office today, so come on in and we'll get started. So welcome to our office. This is obviously the reception room. First thing you're going to do when you get into the office is fill out some paperwork. You can do a lot of that online ahead of time and it saves a lot of time. We do PI, work comp, general insurance, and even cash. We have a discount for that. So come back a little further and we'll show you what's going on. So as we look at the front desk here, this is where all the action happens. They'll take your insurance card, your insurance information, and if you haven't had a chance to fill out the paperwork, they'll do that for you next. What we have in our physical therapy suite is a couple of different modalities. They really help hold the adjustment better. They can take out muscle spasm. We treat a lot of athletes here, so we use ultrasound on things like ankle sprains, wrist sprains, shoulder sprains, things like that. So let's go back a little bit further, and as we look at the rest of the office, the therapy suite, you can see we do a lot of plated equipment. This is a neat machine right here. It helps with the neck. You can do neck exercises on it. The one over here is for the low back, and then we also do stuff for the lower extremities. So let me show the adjusting room real quick. So if we come in here, we have our chiropractic table. I probably paid more for this table than I did my first brand new car, so it can do a lot of different things. Don't get scared by it. It's really handy for me and helps save my back too as I'm adjusting you. So the first place we'll go is down by my office, and we'll do a full consultation in there. So come on in and I'll show you around. So when we sit down to do the consultation, we'll go over that form that you filled out up front. We'll find out everything about your condition. The better you fill that out, the more we can help you, the less questions you'll have along the way. But before we do that, you'll watch a brief video, and then after that we'll sit down and talk for a little while, and you can decide then if chiropractic's right for you. If both you and I decide that chiropractic will help you, we'll continue, but up to now, you don't pay anything for the consultation. You can make that decision. And maybe chiropractic isn't right for you. It's not right for everybody, and then we can refer you to someone who can help. And once you decide that this is a good fit, we'll come over here into the exam room, and there's a neat test we can do in here. It's called a surface EMG. So it's a 3-part test. We run something up your back, and then we take readings all the way down your back, and then we do something that's called a heart rate variability monitor. We put those 3 things together, and then we can come up with a core score and shows your overall health. The neat thing about it, it's totally non-invasive, doesn't hurt. We even use it on our pregnant patients. And one more thing we offer in our office is massage. If you come back here, I'll show you that room real quick. We've had our massage therapist for about 6 or 7 years. She's really good. And this can either be an hour-long massage, or it can be a half hour, and that is a thing that's billable to insurance called manual therapy. So that's pretty much our office. And then down the hallway, we have an X-ray room. We can take X-rays of every part of the body. We also have a dark room, so we can take care of the processing right there. And I hope that was a little helpful for you today. And I know coming to a chiropractor can be kind of nerve-wracking for some people. I hope this took some of the stigma away from it, and you have a better idea of what's involved when you come to see a chiropractor. Thanks for watching this. We hope to see you soon.